Igbo ekene m unu. Ihe awụ okpuru osisi ọhụm in Udi local government. Watch out n'okpuru osisi a now. According to traditionalists, ha si no ndị ụka tiri ọkụ n'urichego. Watch out now. Na osisi a na erichego n'urichego from ime. So my question is that unu mana osisi erichego n'ime, why didn't you cut it on time? Kịta ọ claim zere ndụ ndị mmadụ kwunu ga-abịa kọwa nọ ndị ụka mere nke a mee nke ọzọ.
Ojitole n'oreje Sunday by bikonu. Anyị na-afụ vidio osisi dalụnụ na Enugu State, osisi dalụnụ. So mana ihe nji weta this video is that n'osisi ahụ na-generate the reaction. I don't know why ndị bayi obele ihe media tag ya ndị ụka. So nwere m chọrọ ikwu n'osisi ahụ, osisi ọjị, osisi ukwu akpụ. Ukwu ọ ndị na-akpụ ya ọjị, nwa ndị na-akpụ ukwu akpụ, sikpọza ya ukwu akpụ generally. Ọ nara anọkata daa. Two things dey involve. Ọdịdị ya nwee ka ọ bụrụ na obodo achọghị inwere onwe ha. 1. 2. Ọdịdị ya nwee ka ọ bụrụ na ọ signifies go na ezigbote ajọ ihe mere na dị obodo. That is shake the root from the every osisi has no option than either. And other hand now they should in expect na mgbe ndị anụ na-ekwu ha they should have gone and do investigation. Onye kwuru okwu sị na n'osisi a na ndị ụka tiri ya ọkụ. O si no 2 years ago or last year. O si no the thing emego la 1 year or 2 years etili ya ọkụ. The osisi gba ha je gbanyụọ ya. So now osisi wee dazie anya kunu mano udisi udoisi anaghị ada ordinary. Or whether we claim the life of 18 people. Mother 18 in the process. Because Jenna this 2 page in a phone screen man na Facebook. Eba ki yafo the full gist of Yemen. Ghana the 2 pages. Natago iyafia. Kunu foka the whole thing say man post that video because on graphic content. Manana yoku na asụsụ Oyibo as a secretary ndị omenala. Do you know whether na osisi ahụ nwanda ọnọchiri ụzọ? Do you know whether na osisi ahụ or does it signify something? Or is it the time for obodo inwere onwe ha? Because you must na okwu osisi a na-efe efe. Unu na-amanya akwara ede na ya na-eme ihe nke ya anọkata mmajilo nnọọ daa. Ụfọdụ si na ịnọ ikuku unu kwatu ya so ụta ka ikuku kwube. Everything happens with time and season. Time ihe elugo oda. Time ihe na-afụ osisi a bụ no time ihe elugo ọdịdị ya. So now we should now begin to pay attention. Also osisi ya adago tata. In 2 years to come or 3 years to come, what is the outcome and the face of the village and the community as a whole? Osisi order for good, order for bad? That is the question people should be asking. Not Yemen. And also, sorry for ndị nwụrụ anwụ na that thing because now osisi da no okolo a lot of souls like that means a lot of things. And by that time I hold you whether okolo souls mother 18 or the reason. So it signifies something in the realm of the spirit. So I don't know why people are not seeing beyond that. But that's by the way, and here or the akwande ukwalosia ihoku and also the blame on enya ndioka regarding the osisi dalada. Kodekwan.
Aku kan awak nak berapa kau hum. Okay.
I'm a cultural and traditional person. Now, I'm the secretary of the Omenani people, the traditional people in our home. Please, in a nutshell, I've been writing for the Omenani for years. This place is a traditional tree. We worship here. for donkey years before I was born, before my father came to this world. The Ohum people have been worshipping here. This tree belongs to the whole of Ohum, not a particular people, or traditional people or church people. It belongs. And we, the Omenan people, we worship here. It's a tree of worship. Actually, the Omenan people have the custody and worship on this tree. This accident, I term it as spiritual. Now, I have to inform the press and the government that we have been having confrontations with the church people in this town. The mission, the church people, the Christians will not allow us free worship here. I wrote a letter to the chairman of the local government, and I wrote a letter to the bishop of this diocese at Enugu, at Holy Ghost, where the Omenan people complained about the oppression, the way the church people oppress us. Once they kill man in pursuit that they are trying to kill, they kill a just last year. This time, they put fire under this tree. They used a very big candle, put fire under this tree because it's a place from the back because we worship here. Yes, I am telling you what caused the fall of this tree.
There was a fire.
I don't know but the cause of the fall of this tree is what I'm explaining to you now.
So you're saying there was a fire under
this tree, the fire put by the charismatic leader of the Catholic Church in Ohum and Obatu. They put fire under this tree, and this fire burnt for a long time before we discovered it. Before we discovered this thing, the fire caused damages towards this tree. You see that the problem came from the center of the tree where the fire affected. That was last 2 years or so. I have it in my record. I wrote the dates. I will present documents to prove my case.
So the fire that was lit on 2 years ago, they say is probably what has caused.
That is the cause. If any other spiritual matter, I'm not a spirit. But I observe that the mission people, the Catholic, the Christians, put fire under this tree with a very big candle. Before we discovered this fire, it took a very long time. Before then, the fire caused much damages. That's what I'm explaining. I don't have any grievances. They hate traditional worship. The Christians do not allow traditional people to perform their sacrifices and traditional activities. And this country, we have freedom of worship. Let the Christians let us be. Now that the tree has fallen, that is why we are making some appeasement here. We have been appeasing the tree. We are not spirits. Whatever happens after, all of us will be affected. The whole of home people. Okay, 11 people, some are now in hospital. Is it not affecting everybody? Everybody now left his work to come here now. Everybody is feeling it. Not only the traditional people. One of the traditional people died in this matter. But I'm telling you, anything you are worshiping, let others be.
So what you're saying, in essence, was the fire that was
fire they put on
by the Christians.
And I wrote this thing and reported this matter to the chairman of the local government. He's on record. He's on record. I'm the secretary of the Omenan in our home.
Well, if we're being honest, this tree that poses a threat to the world. It could have fallen like any time. I'm not saying it's the fire, because 2 years is a long time for a tree that was lit and the fire was still turned on. 2 years is a long time for a tree to just fell when it's raining. Maybe the rain caused it to fall at the time. Maybe that probably the tree has gotten weak and chose to fall yesterday night.
Very long. Actually, the people who construct this road avoided this tree. The earliest English people who made this road. I don't know what they observed, why they avoided this tree. They tried to cut it, they avoided it for many years. That is, the church people cannot let us be. Why putting fire under the tree? What else do you want us to explain? Am I a tree? I did not study about tree, but I observed that they put fire under this tree, and this fire lasted before we, the traditional people, discovered this fire. It has caused damage.
How many hours?
This, long time. Under one corner, they hid it. The fire have been causing damages. And close it. Why not allow us to worship our own way?
Sir, don't you think that the tree decayed naturally?
I don't.
Inside, as you can see.
I don't think. This is Akpu tree. It doesn't die anyhow. This Akpu where you see. This is Akpu tree. It doesn't die anyhow.
What you're saying is that it doesn't just fall by itself.
For what? Since the problem came, since they put fire, and I wrote a letter to the local government chairman, even to the bishop, we've been complaining about the oppression of the Christians. I'm not against the Christians, but let us be. Let us worship our own.
Can you guess how old was the tree?
If I was born. Very long time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.